Saltimbocca alla Romana is a classic Italian dish from Rome, famous for its culinary prowess. The name Saltimbocca translates as jumping in the mouth, alluding to the irresistible taste of the dish and the quickness with which it disappears from the plate. This iconic dish is believed to have been created in the mid-19th century by a famous Roman chef who sought to combine the flavors of tender veal, prosciutto and fresh sage into a harmonious and appetizing treat. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, whole wheat flour for crumbles, 6 slices of veal tenderloin, 6 slices of prosciutto, ½ cup dry white wine, 6 fresh sage leaves. Preparation: thinly sliced veal slices lightly battered to achieve tenderness. A little salt and pepper. If you do not like salty, you can not salt at all, as prosciutto itself is salty. Then a slice of prosciutto and a fresh sage leaf are placed on each piece of meat. The ingredients are bound together with toothpicks, creating small, elegant bundles of flavor. Lightly coat each piece in flour, which will give the dish a subtle crispness and help preserve the flavors. In a large skillet, heat olive oil and butter over medium heat. Fry our pieces, prosciutto side down, and cook until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Remove the pieces of meat from the skillet and set them aside. Add wine to the same skillet to deglaze it and create a flavorful sauce that perfectly complements the veal and prosciutto. Before serving, remove the toothpicks from the saltimbocca and drizzle with the sauce. Garnish with bright cherry tomatoes. Saltimbocca alla Romana goes well with various garnishes and additions. Traditionally it is often served with freshly cooked risotto. Creamy and flavorful risotto makes a wonderful contrast with the tender veal and gives the dish an additional sophistication. Steamed or baked vegetables. Lightly seasoned steamed or baked vegetables such as asparagus or green beans are a refreshing and nutritious addition. Italian crusted bread. Serve saltimbocca with slices of crusty bread to soak up the delicious sauce and savor every bite of flavor. Famous fans. Alla Romana's saltimbocca has captured the hearts and tastes of many famous people. Among her famous fans are Italian film director Federico Fellini and American actress Sophia Loren.